DJI has a drone for almost every type of creator, but choosing the right one can be confusing. From beginner-friendly models to professional aerial cameras and immersive FPV machines, each drone serves a different purpose. In this video, we break down the best DJI drones to help you find the perfect flying companion. Enjoy! The best drone is not always the biggest or the most expensive one. It is the one that gives you professional results without becoming a burden to carry. The DJI Mini 5 Pro stands out because it combines a travel-friendly design with features normally found on larger premium drones, making it a powerful choice for creators, explorers, and everyday pilots. At the heart of this drone is a 1-inch CMOS sensor with a 50-megapixel camera, delivering sharper images, stronger low-light performance, and better dynamic range than typical compact drones. It records up to 4K at 60 frames per second HDR video, while the 225-degree rotating gimbal allows true vertical shooting for platforms like TikTok and Instagram without cropping your footage later. Another major upgrade is LiDAR-assisted omnidirectional obstacle sensing, which improves flight safety and helps the drone navigate challenging environments. Weighing under 249 grams, the Mini 5 Pro remains easy to travel with and avoids stricter drone rules in many regions. Its intelligent tracking modes and compact folding design make it ideal for solo creators. The only trade-off is the premium price, which may feel excessive for casual beginners. But for anyone who wants flagship image quality in a lightweight package, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is one of the smartest DJI drone choices available. Not every drone purchase is about chasing Hollywood-style footage. Sometimes the smartest choice is a drone that makes capturing memories feel effortless. The DJI Neo is designed around that idea, offering a lightweight flying camera that beginners, vloggers, and casual creators can pick up and use with minimal learning. Its biggest attraction is the combination of portability and simplicity. Weighing just 135 grams, the DJI Neo can easily travel in a small bag, while built-in full-coverage propeller guards make indoor and close-range flying safer for new pilots. The camera setup focuses on quick content creation, featuring a 12-megapixel camera that records 4K video at up to 30 frames per second. It uses a one-axis mechanical gimbal supported by electronic image stabilization to reduce shake and deliver smoother clips for social media. The drone also makes shooting easier with palm takeoff and landing, subject tracking through active track, and automated flight modes that help capture selfies and moving shots without complicated controls. The lightweight body does mean it sacrifices some wind stability, camera flexibility, and advanced features found on premium DJI models. However, for beginners and creators who want an affordable, portable drone for everyday videos, the DJI Neo delivers an approachable and intelligent starting point. When your drone is not just a hobby tool, but part of your creative business, every detail starts to matter, from sensor size and flight endurance to color accuracy and reliability. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is built for professionals who need a compact aircraft that can deliver results close to dedicated camera systems. Its biggest selling point is the advanced triple camera setup, led by a 100-megapixel Hasselblad main camera with a large 4/3 CMOS sensor that captures exceptional detail, dynamic range, and natural colors. The system also includes additional telephoto cameras for more creative shooting options, while the continuous electronic ND filter gives filmmakers greater control over exposure during changing light conditions. The 360-degree rotating gimbal opens new possibilities for dynamic camera movements, while Nightscape omnidirectional obstacle sensing improves confidence during complex flights. With up to 51 minutes of flight time, the Mavic 4 Pro gives professionals more time in the air to capture important shots. However, its premium price and advanced features may be unnecessary for casual users. For photographers, filmmakers, and commercial creators who demand flagship aerial performance, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro represents a serious production investment. Choosing a drone in the middle of DJI's lineup can be tricky because you want serious camera quality without paying flagship prices or carrying a larger aircraft. The DJI Air 3S finds that sweet spot by bringing advanced imaging, intelligent flight features, and a practical design that suits both enthusiasts and semi-professional creators. The standout feature is its dual camera system, combining a 1-inch CMOS main sensor with a 70mm medium telephoto camera. Both cameras can record 4K HDR video, giving creators more flexibility to capture wide landscapes, detailed subjects, and cinematic compression shots from the air. The larger main sensor also improves low-light performance, making sunrise, sunset, and night scenes look cleaner with better detail. Safety is another major strength. With upgraded omnidirectional obstacle sensing and intelligent flight modes helping pilots capture complex shots with more confidence. Its compact folding design makes it easier to travel with compared with larger professional drones. The trade-off is that it does not offer the extreme image quality or flight capabilities of DJI's flagship models. For creators who want near-professional results without the premium Mavic price, the DJI Air 3S is one of the most balanced choices in DJI's lineup. Some drones are built to capture the perfect landscape shot, but the DJI Avata 2 is designed to make you feel like you are inside the flight itself. This FPV drone changes the experience completely, delivering fast, immersive flying for creators who want dynamic shots that traditional camera drones cannot achieve. The biggest attraction is the first-person flight experience through DJI Goggles 3 or Goggles N3 paired with the DJI RC Motion 3 controller, allowing intuitive movement-based control instead of traditional sticks. Its 1x1 point, 3-inch camera sensor records 4K/60 frames per second HDR video with a wide 155-degree field of view, while 10-bit D-Log-M support gives filmmakers more flexibility during color grading. The built-in propeller guards add durability, making close-range flying around obstacles less intimidating. Features like Easy Acro mode allow beginners to perform flips, rolls, and 180-degree drifts, while Turtle mode helps recover the drone after an upside-down landing. The limitation is that FPV flying requires more practice and is less suited for simple photography. For action filmmakers, adventure creators, and pilots chasing cinematic movement, the DJI Avata 2 delivers an unmatched flying experience. Thank you for tuning in. From the compact DJI Neo to the professional Mavic 4 Pro, DJI offers options for beginners, travelers, creators, and filmmakers. The right choice depends on your budget, shooting style, and experience level. Which DJI drone would you choose for your next adventure? Share your pick in the comments below.